Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today is my June SnackCrate. Yes, it's late. This did come late, but I don't think it was as late as it is now. I feel like it maybe came the first week of July, but guys, that was so long ago for me now. It's only July 17th, but it feels like it was ages ago. Whatever. I have opened this up already though because I was curious what was in it. I know what country it is, but I don't remember what's in it. So we get to kind of figure out together. I'm so excited to try some snacks. It's dinner time and instead of eating dinner, I'm filming. So that's how it's going today. But let's get into it. I got my little "your snacks are expired" and the thing telling me to go in their shop and buy it. So this month's crate is from Canada. It's got a moose on it there for you. The other side of it is this one. I think I put it back in backwards. This is actually the front with like the beaver and the Mountie and a Canadian goose. And on the inside here, we got our information about Canada, like its flag, which I know pretty well. And some fun facts. The official phone number for Canada is 1-800-O-CANADA. That is strange. Also, there are places in Canada that have less gravity than the rest of the world. Guys, I should really read you these fun facts, because boy, they're fun. The first one isn't fun. It just says it's the second largest country after Russia. That's not fun. Knowing that they have an official phone number is cool. Canadian music industry, which is actually spelled wrong. It says industry instead of industry. It's the 6th largest in the world, producing internationally renowned composers, musicians, and ensembles, like Justin Bieber. World renowned. For good or worse. And it says Canada is the most educated country. Those are all of my fun facts on here. But there are places in Canada with less gravity. That's good to know. I wonder why that is. That's cool. I've never thought about a country having less gravity, but hey, that's fun. Let's get into some snacks. Hey, here's my little sheet telling me what everything is, and I'm going to put it over here. More fun. So, SnackCrate is great. Look at this, like, paper that it comes with. This is so much fun. And the last two that I had their own special, like, paper. And there are chips on the top, and I'm going to try really hard not to eat all of the chips, because these are both chips that I have wanted to try. I have never been to Canada outside of an airport, which is pretty ridiculous because Canada is like 6 hours away by car. But I've been to like 3 different airports, just Calgary, Toronto, and Vancouver, which is not that far away from me. But I've never been outside an airport, so perhaps when this whole isolation thing and I can leave the country again happens, I'll be able to go visit. It's really sounded fun. A nice trip over there. Okay, back on these snacks, because I really want to eat them. The first one is from Old Dutch, and they are ketchup chips. I have heard of ketchup chips. I've never had them, but I'm very excited about it. Oh my god, they smell just like ketchup. Why am I surprised? So, the inside of that, you can see they are bright red. Let's pull it out. Look at that. They look kind of like barbecue chips, but they sure don't smell like it. They smell like ketchup. Okay, it's not as strong of a taste as a smell, which is good. Or not. I don't know. I like them. They've got, when you eat them, you can like taste more spices in them and not just like the overwhelming ketchup smell. Guys, these are so good. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to stop here in a second because I will eat this whole bag right now. These are like marvelous. I am so happy. So happy. Okay, I'm gonna put these down now. Oh my god, though. Where have ketchup chips been my entire life? Those are wonderful. Like, I mean, I can't say I like love ketchup, but I do like ketchup. And I never thought to put it on a chip, but oh my god, it's so good. Okay, the next one in here is something that I've also heard about. Never had, because of course I live in America, and it's a Ruffles product, which I love Ruffles. They're like my favorite wavy chip. I can't get the store brand ones. They're just not as good. So these are the All Dressed, and then there's French on there. In the languages that I know a little bit of, French is not one. Yeah, I'm not gonna even try. It also at the bottom it says simulated flavor. I mean, I don't know what you would expect. I don't think it's a real flavor. Okay, let's get into these. It just says Canada's very own on the back. It doesn't actually tell me what flavor this is, except for All Dressed, whatever that means. Well, I'll figure it out. It smells vinegary. And they taste like the like loaded ones that we have here. I think that's what they are. They're basically just renamed version of the like loaded or the all, like, I don't think we called them All Dressed. The like loaded potato ones. So on the front here it's got like salt, vinegar, and pepper, and onion. No, it's not salt. It just got an onion. Same difference. But yeah, they taste like that. Not that that's bad. Those are definitely one of my like preferred chip types. I'm gonna have to put these down too. But they've got the nice like Ruffles crunchy flavor, so yeah. Maybe a little more vinegary than those ones, but let me tell you, those are good. So far, we're 2 for 2 on like excellent. There's this one thing in here, and I don't trust it, so we're gonna pull it out right now. It's called Thrills. It's gum, and on the bottom, if you can read it, it says, "It still tastes like soap." Who wants to eat soap-flavored gum? Who created this? Canada, are you okay? Like, soap-flavored gum? Okay, so it's bright purple. Soap-flavored gum. Ugh. It doesn't say anything else on it. It just says it still tastes like soap. I'm afraid to test this, friends. Do I have anybody in Canada watching, or anyone who's tried soap-flavored gum? Because why? I just want to know why. Why? Okay, here we go. It's gonna erase the delicious, like, aftertaste of these chips. Oh my god. Yeah, it tastes like, I don't know if it tastes like soap, it tastes like perfume. Maybe like rose water? Okay, but pretty shortly, like that flavor is like entirely gone and it's just like gum. With like a weird background, like it's still in your mouth. Okay, not a fan. I'm gonna take this one out. Ugh, ugh. That's not a flavor of gum that I ever wanted. So I understand this box is to try new things, but why? Why put something in here that's supposed to taste like soap? Ugh, that's weird. Let me get some water. I hope the rest of this stuff is better. There are 3 more things in here. One of them I'm not going to eat right now because I threw it on the floor. It's a maple like syrup. It's 100% pure maple syrup lollipop. I will eat this later. Don't worry. I love maple syrup. It's even shaped like a maple leaf. Look at that. But yeah, I will eat that one later. I'm sure it tastes better than the soap gum. Okay, I've got 2 things in here. I'm gonna try this one first. They are Maynard's Fuzzy Peaches. They look like peach rings. So far I've had 2 chips, a lollipop, I guess, just a candy of some kind, and the worst tasting product that I've had so far. It may be winning for my least favorite subscription box item that I've ever had. Of all the boxes. Okay, here's my little peach. It's like a peach ring, except it's a whole, basically. Yep. Got the little like sour outside, peachy flavor. Delicious. I love peach flavored things. I love them. And sour, sweet peach candies are just delightful. Yeah, this one's definitely better. Again, it would be really hard for it to be worse. Of all the places that had to have the weird flavor, Canada, our closest neighbor. I'm just, whatever. Okay, last item in here is from Macintoshes, and it is creamy toffee. So it feels like a bar. It says Smack the Mac on the back here, which is really odd. Oh, this is a Nestle product. Okay, I'm gonna, okay, so I guess I can't break it off. It's literally just a chunk of toffee. This is not gonna go well. Okay, so I have pretty sensitive teeth, and I'm literally just bending it. I guess I can kind of suck on it. It tastes good. I just can't. I might need a knife to cut this into pieces. Hold on, I'll be back. I've succeeded in getting a chunk of toffee. Small chunk of toffee. I'm gonna stick that in my mouth. And figure out how to eat the rest of this later. I think I'm gonna need to like just cut it into a bunch of little pieces to eat out. It's good. It's great toffee. It's just like hard as a rock and I don't know how to eat it. Like I can't eat it whole. Toffee is delicious. It's like caramel. It tastes very much like caramel, which I love. Okay, let me pull out the little paper so we can look over it. I've got the backside of it here with the original, so the bigger one, and it looks like the SnackCrate Plus was a Crush Cream Soda. It is a Canada riff on cream soda, features the flavors of orange and French vanilla blended together. And a little like pink can there. It looks like if I had the originals, I would have gotten some like Doritos in a different flavor, some like chocolate raisins, another Maynard's thing. That just is like berry. It's like a gummy that's fruit filled. Some rings. They look kind of like Funyuns, but they're barbecue flavor. And Smarties, which are not the same as American Smarties. Canada and England have the same kind of Smarties. They're just like M&Ms. Yeah, they're just candy coated chocolate. They're these down here. Yeah. Okay, so let's go through our ketchup chips. They're famous Canadian ketchup chips, apparently. Yep, just says they're ketchup flavored. Our fuzzy peach, sweet and chewy peach flavored gummies. Really, oh, it's made with real fruit juice. Okay, here it is. The evil gum. It is rose water flavored. It says, is a strange but endearingly Canadian description for rose water flavored chewing gum. That's what it says. It still tastes like soap. Who eats this? Seriously. Do people eat this for fun? Is this a thing that people like? Whatever. I've got our maple lollipop here. And it just says it's quintessentially Canadian. It seems like quintessentially touristy Canadian. Not that that's bad. Our all dress. They are the most popular chip in Canada. Made with paprika and a secret blend of spices. Like I said, it tastes kind of like the loaded potato chips here. Not that that's bad. It's delicious. And what is this paprika? I don't know if they mean like the spice paprika or if they mean pepper, because paprika, like peppers are paprika and like everything else. But yeah, it is super good. I will be eating these later, probably. Maybe not. Those are really high in fat. And our last thing is the toffee, which is buried in here, which is enjoyed in Canada for over 100 years. It's not... Toffee is known for being not too hard and not too soft. I still have the chunk of the toffee in the back of my mouth. So perhaps the issue is that I waited to actually like eat it, but this is very hard. I don't What is too hard then? That's my question. Who knows? Whatever. Overall, Candida, you had some very high highs and some very low lows. But mostly I would say you're on the upper end. I think Hawaii is still beating you for my favorite so far, but these two chips, man, those are so good. Those are so good. I think Hawaii still has the best candy though. Those candy, rainbow like candy belts with the like plum seasoning on them. That is my favorite candy so far. I'm thinking maybe at the end of the year of like doing a whole going through everything and kind of picking out my favorites. And I think I'm gonna split the snack boxes by like type. So like favorite chip, favorite candy, favorite chocolate. This one obviously had no chocolate in it. And it had the evil gum. It gets its own thing. It's so far the only thing that I consider like that I really don't like. There's another kind of chip that I wasn't a fan of. It was more like a cracker, but yeah. So that's it for Canada and its fun facts. I've got another snack box coming up soon. It's my very first one of a new box. I wanted to see if it had a better luck getting to me than SnackCrate. And now we're in July and nothing is getting to me. So far, nothing is winning except for Glossy Box. But I will, if you stay tuned, it should be soon. Maybe it'll be in the next video I post. I don't know. I don't know what order I'm putting anything in. Thank you so much for watching. If you're here, if you could hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And turn on post notifications just in case you want to know. And turn on post notifications just in case you want to know when I post a new video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!